It's our mandate na ikabit lahat ng mga power plants, lahat ng mga solar projects. But at the end, we also present it in a way na ito ho yung mga areas na available where you can put up your plants, whether it's Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, malapit sa substation ho namin. Para may easy access po ang pagkabit po.
Mr. Almeida, President
Apa.
Almeida, I don't want to hear yung may problema kayo sa right of way.
Apo.
Kasi under your concession agreement,
it's our,
pinagbigyan kayo ng gobyerno to
Apa.
gamitin yung right of eminent domain.
Apo.
Right of eminent domain, kung may problema ka sa right of way, you just deposit 10% to the court and you go ahead with your project. Don't let me hear na mayroon kayong problema sa right of way.
Apo,
So,
Congressman, yeah.
the right of eminent domain is vested upon you and you have the right to pursue lahat ng projects ninyo para wala pong delay. And I don't want to hear that again kasi baka ginagamit lang yon na wala naman kayong infusion of capital. Although your revenue is close to 400 billion a year, I know most of that is also used in CAPEX. But sana naman, wag na ninyong sabihin na dadedelay yung inyong mga projects dahil sa right of way. Because you are vested in your concession agreement with the right of eminent domain. Congressman, attorney, lawyer, can you please bolster my assertion on that?
As stated, I always agree with the chairman who is
Chair,
always
Chair.
knowledgeable of the law and concession agreement. Thank you.